how to connect PS4 controller to Samsung Tab S8. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a PS4 controller to a Samsung Tab S8. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to connect a PS4 controller to a Samsung Tab S8, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. On your Samsung Tab S8, open the Settings app. Over here, tap Connections at the top, then select Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Step 2. Now turn on your PS4 controller. After that, put the controller into pairing mode by pressing and holding the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time until the LED at the front starts blinking. Step 3. Go back to your Tab S8 and under Available Devices, look for the name of your controller. If it doesn't appear, tap Scan to refresh the list. Then select your PS4 controller when it shows up. Step 4. You'll see a Bluetooth pairing request on the Tab S8. Tap Pair to connect. If it doesn't pair the first time, turn off Bluetooth, turn it back on, and try again. Repeat the process until the connection is successful. Step 5. Once connected, your PS4 controller will now work with the Tab S8. You can use it to navigate the system or play games that support controllers. So that's how you can connect a PS4 controller to a Samsung Tab S8. That's all for this video.